Ended up being decently decent. Just like that, I'm putting on gloves. That's the move out there. And this is the ride today. That's a bit heavy out there. A lot of water moving. Oh, I want that inside. Oh my gosh, that moon. Deep outside, there's a big set. It's gonna hit those guys more than me. I could stand corrected though. They're big out there. That dude was like, another surfer was like, they're pretty big. Yeah. Trainer to the left. Yeah, baby. Nope. Take it. Reform. I'm happy with that, man. Oh, I haven't surfed in so long. Look at this rip current. I just want to take note of that wind howling down the beach. It's windy AF tonight, but that was a lot of fun. Haven't surfed like that in a long ass time. Yo, take care, stay grateful. Life is very short. I'll see you later.